Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your iPhone 16 Pro overheating. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to close all the apps running in the background. So swipe up and clear out games, camera or heavy apps. They drain power and heat up the phone. Now next, you can go ahead and simply lower your screen brightness and switch from 5G to LTE. Go ahead and lower your brightness and after that, open up settings. Inside here, select cellular. Then you need to go ahead and tap on voice and data and make sure you select LTE instead of 5G. This reduces battery stress and heat. If it's still hot, you need to go ahead and remove your phone case and keep the device out of direct sunlight or hot places, especially while charging. Also check for updates. For that, head back to settings. Then tap on general. Now tap on software updates. And just like that, inside here, you need to go ahead and simply install the latest iOS version. Many overheating issues are fixed by software patches. Finally, if nothing works, you want to go ahead and reset all settings. For that, inside General, scroll below, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then tap on Reset all settings. This won't delete your data but refreshes system settings. And that's it. Follow these steps to cool down your iPhone 16 Pro and keep it running smoothly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.